The CAMECHO Motorcycle CarPlay Screen offers an effortless installation process, making it suitable for all types of motorcycles, including scooters and ATVs. With wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this device enhances your ride by providing seamless navigation, music streaming, and hands-free communication. The built-in Bluetooth feature allows you to connect your phone and Bluetooth headset simultaneously, ensuring uninterrupted music and calls while on the go. Its 5-inch IP68 waterproof touchscreen guarantees reliable performance in any weather, allowing you to ride with confidence through rain or shine. As a portable multimedia player, it offers a resolution of 854 by 480, adjustable brightness, and 2 user interface themes, enriching your riding experience. Beyond being just a CarPlay display, it also supports tire pressure detection, making it a comprehensive GPS navigation and entertainment system for modern riders.